clean. Spider, insects. Snake, vegetables. Clever, lizard, horse, tail, cheese. Meat.
Okay, Tom. Tell the class about your pet.
Well, my rabbit's name is Pinky. He's white and he's very clean.
What do rabbits eat?
They eat vegetables. Pinky's favorite vegetables are carrots.
Has your rabbit got a tail?
Oh, yes. My rabbit's got a short tail, but he's got long ears. And look, Pinky's got a small pink nose.
Whoa, he can jump too. He's clever. He knows it's time to go home.
Pinky! Hey, come back!
A rabbit can walk and run, but it can't fly or swim. A spider can walk and run, but it can't fly or swim. A parrot can walk and fly, but it can't run or swim.
Dogs eat meat. Mice eat cheese. Cats eat fish. Lizards eat insects.
Tall giraffe, fast lion. Fat hippo, Africa. Climb. Monkey. Elephant. Tiger. Baby.
Miss Sid, where do wild animals come from?
Oh dear. Well, come on. Welcome to Africa!
Wow! Do wild animals live here?
Yes, look! A lion, a giraffe, and a hippo. Hey, Tom, look! An elephant with its baby.
Are they having a bath?
Yes, they are. Elephants are very clean animals.
Now I'm clean too. I like elephants.
Elephants are very clean animals.
Lions are very fast animals.
Giraffes are very tall animals.
Hippos are very fat animals.
Monkeys are very clever animals. Has the horse got a long tail?
Yes, it has.
Can monkeys climb?
Yes, they can.
Can dolphins swim?
Yes, they can.
Do monkeys like bananas?
Yes, they do.
Are the giraffes tall?
Yes, they are.
Is the baby elephant dancing?
No, it isn't.
Crocodiles are ugly animals. They've got a big mouth and a long body. They've got 4 short legs and a long tail. Crocodiles can swim and they can walk too. They eat meat and fish.
Have crocodiles got 3 short legs?
No, they haven't. They have got 4 short legs.
Can crocodiles swim?
Yes, they can.
Zebras are fast animals. They've got a black and white body and a long tail. They look like horses. They can run fast. They eat vegetables, but they don't eat meat.
Do zebras look like horses?
Yes, they do.
Do zebras eat meat?
No, they don't.
Dolphins are very clever animals. They've got a big mouth and a big tail. They can swim and they can jump. They eat fish.
Are dolphins very tall animals?
No, they aren't.
Can dolphins jump?
Yes, they can.
We're at the zoo.
Me and you,
The lions are here.
and the zebras too. The hippos are happy,
The crocodiles are sad.
and look at the monkey, it's smiling at Dad.
We're at the zoo.
Me and you,
The elephants and the tigers too.
the dolphins are clever, but they don't go to school.
They have all their lessons right here in the pool.